In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use the reading list feature in Google Chrome, a fantastic tool for organizing your online reading. If you've ever found yourself swamped with open tabs, this feature can be a lifesaver by allowing you to save pages for later without cluttering your browser. First, let's look at how to add a web page to your reading list. While browsing, you may come across an article or a piece of content you want to save for later. Simply right-click on the tab at the top of your browser where the web page is open. This action will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Add Tab to Reading List. With just this simple click, you've successfully added that page to your reading list, ensuring you won't forget to revisit it. Once you've started adding pages, you might be wondering how to access your reading list. Head to the top right corner of your Chrome browser, and you'll see an icon that looks like a rectangle. This is the side panel icon. Clicking it opens a sidebar where you can find various options. At the top of this sidebar, there's a drop-down menu. Click on this menu and select Reading List. And there you have it, a dedicated space in your browser for all the pages you've saved. Within the reading list, your saved pages are neatly organized into two sections: unread and pages you've read. This division helps you quickly identify which articles you've yet to dive into and which ones you've already perused. Let's discuss how you can manage the items in your reading list. When you finish reading a page and want to mark it as read, simply hover over the unread page in the list. A checkmark icon will appear. Click on this icon, and the page will move to the Pages You've Read section, keeping your unread list tidy and accurately reflecting what still needs your attention. There might be times when you no longer need a web page and want to remove it from your reading list. To delete an entry, again, hover over the page you wish to remove. Instead of a checkmark, you'll see an X icon. Click this X, and the page will be deleted from your list, ensuring only relevant content stays accessible. This concludes our guide on using the reading list feature in Google Chrome. By following these easy steps, you can efficiently manage your online reading materials, keeping important pages at your fingertips and reducing distractions caused by too many open tabs. Hopefully, this tool will enhance your browsing experience, helping you stay organized and focused. Thank you for tuning in, and happy browsing.